What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought that it would be fun to do like a little get unready with me. So basically I'm just going to be showing you guys like my hair care and my skincare routine. And I do have a pretty simple hair and skincare routine, but I've had a lot of requests and I thought that it would be fun. I love this type of style of video just because it's pretty chill and calm. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through with what I do to my skin and my hair, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing that I do is remove my makeup, and I like to use makeup remover wipes. I've found that they just work better for me. I've tried like makeup remover face wash. I've also tried this Neutrogena as well as the Up and Up Target version oil-free eye makeup remover, which claims to not be oily, but it's so oily and just frankly disgusting. So I don't use this. So I prefer the makeup remover wipes. These are the Target brand, which work fine for me, but I also like the Neutrogena brand. So next I use two different face washes. They're both from Origins. They have been the best just face washes that I've found so far. So I use, this one's my favorite that I've used for the longest. It's the Planscription Anti-Aging Cleanser. It doesn't break me out. I have very sensitive skin, so it doesn't break me out. I love how it cleans my face. I love how my face feels afterwards, so I absolutely love this one. It's actually just about gone, so I need to repurchase that. And then the exfoliator that I use is also from Origins. It's the Modern Friction. I absolutely love this. I haven't really found a great exfoliator before this one. I've tried a lot of different ones, but they always had salicylic acid in them, which breaks me out. So yeah, I really like this one. Plus it smells like Fruit Loops, which is just like an added plus. So then the shampoo and conditioner that I use, I just purchased a couple of weeks ago, and so far I really like it. It smells really nice. It is keratin. There's keratin in it, which has made my hair a little bit oilier than I would like. But my hair is very kind of scraggly and dry, so I'm trying to use it to like moisturize my hair, which I do think is helping. Plus my hair is kind of getting long, so I think it's just a good shampoo for me overall. So this is the OGX Ever Straightening Plus Brazilian Keratin Therapy, and I have the shampoo and conditioner. The last thing that I do with my skin is moisturize. I do have oily skin, but I also get dry patches, so I use a sensitive skin oil-free moisturizer. This is from Neutrogena, my favorite so far. Neutrogena is definitely my top skincare brand. I wanted to pop these in here just because I've been taking them for a little while. These are the Vitafusion Women's Multi Gummy Vitamins. So it's for energy, metabolism, bone, and immune support. But there's also vitamins in here that help your skin and your hair. So I take one of these every morning and night. Plus they taste really good. Again, I don't really do much with my hair. I try to keep it pretty natural and simplistic, so I actually kind of just brush out my hair with my fingers. Just because, I mean, you guys can kind of tell already, I have like natural waves, so I find that if I just brush it out with my fingers, my waves look more kind of curly and not as like bedhead, which I like, because my hair can get pretty crazy, so it already kind of naturally parted. So I'm just gonna kind of finger my way through. I just let it air dry. I try not to blow dry it. I'll maybe blow dry like 4 times a year, if that. And then as for heat, I used to straighten my hair a lot. I've been trying not to, just because my hair is dry and kind of broken. Plus heat isn't great for your hair, so I try to use it only when necessary. Sometimes I'll use this Healthy Sexy Hair. It's a soy tri-wheat leave-in conditioner. And then sometimes, this is usually if I straighten my hair, I'll use the It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product as like, again, kind of leave-in conditioner just to smooth out and defrizz my hair, because my hair can get really frizzy when I straighten it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this leave-in conditioner just because, again, like, I'm trying to moisturize my hair so that I can get it to be as healthy as possible, because the worst thing is like long hair, and then like all of this is split ends. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I know it was kind of straightforward and simplistic, but you guys have been asking to see it, so I figured, why not? Because I haven't made like a hair care or skincare routine in a really long time. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you like my videos. I'll be posting probably only once a week once school starts back up, but hoping to keep it consistent. I'll probably be posting more on Instagram though, so make sure you guys follow me on there to kind of stay updated with my everyday life. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed again, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!